How to add music in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch a CapCut application first, and then click on to import. Import any project that you would like to work on, then click on to open. Once you have added your media file, it will look something like this. Now let's go ahead and add music. On your top left-hand side, you will see audio button. Simply click onto it. You will see various music that are free. You can also choose for vlog, travel, or summer. Let's go ahead and click onto summer and download the music. Now you can directly click and drag it onto your video, just like this. Let's go ahead and just make the video and the song same size. Once you're satisfied, let's go ahead and delete the audio of our original footage. You can also control the sound of the media that you have added. Let's go ahead and click on to play. And now, once you're satisfied, all you have to do is click on to export on your top right hand side, and that will be exported to the destination that you have selected. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.